I am an engineer with the HPC Solutions team. My role is to design and architect innovative, scalable storage solutions that are optimized to deliver superior I/O performance. A typical storage system consists of a variety of components, including disks, storage controllers, I/O cards, storage servers, and related management software. Fitting all these components together and tuning them for best performance is really a challenge, and the HPC storage solutions have been designed to meet this challenge effectively. The storage solutions that we design are by no means prescriptive. In fact, they are highly flexible and scalable. We iteratively review the design and incrementally factor in more requirements. The adaptable architecture enables flexible deployment models. We provide our customers either a fully packaged solution, a turnkey configuration, or offer them recipes, reference architectures, and documents for them to build their own solution. The Dell EMC HPC storage portfolio consists of ready solutions for network file system, BGFS, and PICStore storage solution. The network file system storage solution is a high availability solution designed to maintain data integrity in the event of possible failures. It uses PowerEdge servers and PowerVault storage arrays. It provides optimal performance and improves storage service availability. BGFS is one of our flagship storage offerings. We offer two solutions for BGFS. One is a high performance solution. The other one is a high capacity solution. These two solutions for BGFS are completely different in terms of their design goal and use case. The high performance solution is offered as a high speed scratch solution, a staging ground for transient data sets that are generally not held beyond the lifetime of the job. The high performance solution uses PowerEdge servers equipped with Intel NVMe devices that deliver superior performance both in terms of bandwidth and latency. The base configuration that uses 6 PowerEdge servers provides a peak write performance of 121 gigabytes per second and a peak read performance of 132 gigabytes per second in IOZone sequential benchmark tests. The achieved peak read performance is 96% of the theoretical maximum network performance. The high capacity solution uses PowerVault storage arrays and scales to greater than 5 petabyte of raw storage. It includes one ME4024 all-flash storage array and a pair of PowerEdge servers as the metadata component. The storage component includes a pair of PowerEdge servers and PowerVault ME4084 storage arrays. The high capacity solution is offered in 3 base configurations, small, medium, and large, depending upon whether the storage component includes 1, 2, or 4 storage arrays. Based on these 3 flexible storage configurations, one can create additional flexible configurations to meet different capacity and performance requirements. The BGFS storage solutions are offered in partnership with ThinkPark. PICStore is another of our flagship storage solution, which is offered in partnership with ArcaStream. PICStore includes General Parallel File System or Spectrum Scale as the parallel file system component, in addition to ArcaStream software components for advanced analytics, simplified administration and monitoring, efficient file search, and many others. The PICStore solution supports workflows that require access to data stored in Spectrum Scale via NFS or SMB protocols. The PICStore solution comes in different configurations. One can opt for a base configuration or a small footprint architecture. The base configuration includes one ME4024 and a pair of PowerEdge servers as the metadata component. The storage component includes ME4084 storage arrays and a pair of storage servers. If one wants to opt for a small footprint architecture, then instead of the metadata module, they can opt to host the metadata target as well as the storage target within the ME4084 array itself. Capacity expansion is also possible by adding 4 ME484 eBOD arrays to the existing configuration. One can also opt to have an additional NVMe storage tier by adding PowerEdge servers equipped with NVMe devices. Our validated configuration includes 4 PowerEdge servers which have NVMe devices. Currently, these NVMe nodes are used for data storage only. However, it is possible to use these NVMe nodes to host both data and metadata, or we can even use these nodes as an alternative to the existing metadata module. However, those configurations of the NVMe nodes will be tested in future, and that is work in progress for us. The BGFS, PICStore, and NFS storage solutions are offered with deployment services. They come with full hardware and software support. The data accelerator solution is offered as a reference architecture. DAC, Data Accelerator, is a non-proprietary solid-state burst buffer subsystem that can be deployed as an add-on to Slurm-enabled HPC systems. The goal here is to boost the performance of HPC and AI workloads. The DAC reference architecture is a collaboration between Dell EMC, the University of Cambridge, Intel, and Stack HPC. Our team is constantly exploring emerging technologies, their impact on the HPC landscape, and how they can be incorporated in our storage solutions. Not only storage solutions, in all our solutions in general. We constantly try to innovate and conduct several proof of concept studies. We are also in the process of expanding our storage portfolio to include additional storage solutions.